How do you prevent light leaks through the mesh inlets on your indoor grow tent while maintaining airflow? Most people will just say to put your tent against a wall, and that works for most people, but it won't work for everyone. The wall I'm placing this tent against is exposed, creating a lot of empty space for light to bounce around behind it. Even worse is that it's located in a room that's often used by family during lights off hours. These two factors caused one of my plants to re-veg recently, so I sought out to find a cheap and easy solution that was applicable to any and every grow tent, and I think I came up with the perfect one that only requires two materials. Welcome to Hyperactive Highs. My name is Jay, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to make some easy DIY light blocking inlet covers that are cheap, low profile, and multi-purpose. This is a super easy tent modification that anyone can do that has many benefits. The first being that they completely block light from entering the tent, so you can actually use your bottom inlets instead of having to mess with ducting for air intakes or spend money on light baffles. They also act as filters, blocking smells from escaping your tent or dust and other particles from entering your tent. Lastly, they're washable and reusable, and cheap to remake and replace if you need to. You only need two materials, as well as scissors and something to take measurements. The first material is a hook and loop fastener like Velcro. Next, you'll need some black filter material, the kind often used with air filtration systems. First, you simply measure the width and height of your tent inlet. Mine is about 20 inches across and 8 inches tall. Next, cut 4 Velcro pairs to size, 2 pairs that match the width and 2 pairs matching the height. Take your filter material and cut a piece out that matches your previous measurements. Now just line the inside perimeter of the mesh inlet with the Velcro strips, and then do the same thing along the outer edge of your carbon filter, and then finally stick it to the inside of your tent. Alternatively, you can place them on the outside, but I prefer using the inside, especially since many tents don't have fully removable mesh covers. I hope this was helpful to you, and if it was, I would appreciate if you could leave a like before heading over to either of these videos if you want to see more content from me. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to support the channel. Good luck out there, my friends, and happy growing.